You guys remember algebra? Remember first, outer, inner, last, and all that junk, and you do this and that and the other. Well, I remember I learned that in Algebra 1. And I said, and I got through it, and I said, first, inner, outer, last, all that junk. And then in Algebra 2, they wrote, instead of writing the question this way on the side, they actually wrote it the way that I'm used to seeing multiplication with big numbers, was like this. They wrote it out like that, right there. And then you just times it out regularly. So you go negative 7 times 1, and that's going to be, let's see if we can do it where you can actually see it along with it, be a negative 7. Then I do negative 7 times 2x, so that'd be negative 14x. Then I do, keep the place the same, 1x times 1, so that'd be 1x, and I usually put the positive there so I can remember that. The order of operations. And then x times 2x, so 2x squared plus. So on there, then I just go through there and just go down from that point there. So it would be 2x squared negative 13, because I got a negative 14 and a plus 1, so negative 13x minus 7. So that's how you do that. Instead of doing that inner, outer, last, all that jazz with the FOIL method. Hated the FOIL method. I was mad when I learned this in Algebra 2, this method here, because that was so much easier to do than the FOIL method. FOIL method, I'm going to put a anti-FOIL method. Do this method here. That's the method you've been doing for your whole life. You've been doing math. So anyways, hope that helps you out, because when I learned it, I wish they would have had YouTube back when I was a kid, because I'd never, that FOIL method I would have scratched out right away. I would have gone to this method here. To me, that method makes way more sense. So, anyways, hope that helps you out there in algebra. Rock and roll. 2012.